kind of sketchy, but watch it start. Just hold on, give me a minute. It's gonna start. What I told you. Hey! Better stay alive. It's about to die on me.
Psych!
And it died. Let's make sure there's some gas up in this. Dry as a bone. I got the sauce. Alright, that should be good. Today should be interesting. I don't know what's gonna happen, neither do you, so just stay along for the ride. Boom. But hey, first, let me kill it. I'm sorry. But no, listen to this. Before we get this video started, I want you guys to pay close attention, alright? This is gonna be something you guys would want to hear. Alright, don't miss out. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you would probably know about this. About once a month maybe, or every other month, I tend to do giveaways, right? I know you guys love giveaways. Who doesn't like free stuff? With the simplest rules to win. In the past, I've done a GoPro. I've done some Flow Vision goggles. I've done you guys just stay tuned, alright? Next giveaway that I'm doing is so epic, and I just want to give a huge shout out to SGM, South Georgia Motorsports, for making this possible. If you guys will want to win a brand new, straight out of the box, it's completely fresh. You guys don't have to worry about anything. Brand new, straight out of the box, Traxxas E-Revo 1/16 scale. Bro, who wouldn't want to win one of those? RC cars are so dope. I have a couple RC cars, but obviously they're broken, so make sure you guys go down below in the description, click the link to my Instagram, and follow the rules. This is going to be a month-long giveaway, so you guys will have plenty of time to enter for the giveaway, and it's going to be announced in majority of my videos from now on until the giveaway is actually over. So you follow me, follow SGM Motorsports, and on the post on my Instagram that mentions and talks about the giveaway, tag a friend up under that post. That's 3 easy steps, baby. All you have to do. So with that being said, let's get right into this video.
Isn't it lovely? Heart made of glass, my mind of stone. Isn't it lovely? Heart made of glass, my mind of stone.
Alright, you guys, what's up? Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Darrius, and I'm back again with another video. How you guys doing today? Hope your day is going great, and if not, watching this video will make things 10 times better. It is about to be lit. Wait, I'm gonna check something out. If you guys remember, like about 2 months ago, the lady that was cussing me out for wheeling my dirt bike up and down the street, she actually lives right here. So we're gonna pass by her house. What's up, little? Nah, but bro, she's a straight joke. Like, for real. She literally pissed me off. If you guys have not seen that video, make sure you guys go check it out. Like I said in the beginning of this video, today is going to be a complete mystery. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Neither do you guys. So we're just gonna make it lit. Left or right? Left or right? Wait, where's the place? Oh. Let's go left.
Bruh.
Yo, I love this 110, y'all. We got some puppies. Oh, wait, no, that's a baby. I thought they was walking the dog. My bad, just chill. Damn, he looks buff. That man was huge. He looked like he'll kill me for calling this baby a dog. Back to what I was saying. We're gonna go check out this place that they have been doing construction on. It's basically a construction site, and we're just gonna go check it out. We're gonna explore it and see what's really over here. I was smart. I was being smart. I decided to come on a weekend. I don't think they normally work. I don't think construction workers work on the weekend. So that's why we're going like today. Just about everything from like here over to where you see those buildings at are like cleared off. They have really done it so fast, and I want to go back there and check it out. If you guys remember in the last video with the golf cart, we actually took the golf cart back there while nobody was working, and that was actually pretty epic. I wish I was filming, but I wasn't. Hopefully nobody calls the cops. Alright, no cops is the plan. Let's just see what's back here, y'all. Alright, we're good, we're in. They have this big mulch pile, which is like, wow. Let's check out this dozer right here, or whatever this is. Holy crap, look how big this bunker is. I could sleep inside of that. Should I like drive this? Leave a like if I should come back and drive this. Wait, why are people stopping? Yo, we might have to. Let's go back here. I know this is a trail, but oh wait, it might. Yeah. We're gonna come back to the construction site. We're just gonna follow this for now. Wait. I'm like, this has really like grown up. It used to be like nothing back here. Alright. So yeah, I have actually been back here to fish, and we caught, I can't remember what exactly we caught. I want to say we caught like a gar. I want to say. If you guys see that straight ahead, there's like a house or like a shed or something where somebody could stay, and that's like really sketchy because it's just like out here. I mean, I wouldn't think that anybody lives in that, so let's hopefully. Oh snap! Boy, I thought that was a snake. There's just a stick. Oh my gosh, this is sketch. I'm hearing like the smallest things. Boat ramp. Gonna load in. I just wanted to show you guys this. This lake is actually pretty cool. I want to come back fishing, but we're gonna get out of here. I don't know who could pop out of that building at any time, so. Think I could jump that? Let's try it. Oh, that was lit. We gotta do that again. Now we gotta hit it the other way. Oh! That was lit. Wait. I gotta hit it once on each side again. I'm not gonna lie, you get a little bit of air, a tiny bit of air coming back the other way. Ugh. Oh, there's a car. Right over here. Ouch. It's a stick went up my butt. Oh. A big stick. Let's check this out. Is this hittable? What is this? Is it like, this looks hard enough. Oh, that's cake, baby. That's cake. An ant was on me too. Oh. overshot that. Hey, let's try and hit it like at an angle. Or maybe I can hit it going back this way. Yes, sir. Ow, that didn't feel good. No, I'm just playing. It felt great. Ow! This stuff is like rock solid. See you later. It was nice. I don't know. Thank you for my company. I don't know if you guys see that cop all the way down there. He literally just passed me and I stopped the GoPro. Rule number 1, don't stop the GoPro. And we are back home.